If you're a cyclist, hiker, or you love strenuous endurance exercise, you know how important, and how difficult it is, to find a reliable water canteen. Investing in a durable water bottle will keep you safely hydrated during the hot summer months and will increase your daily intake of water in general. You can rest assured that with the right canteen you'll stay hydrated all day long. With the endless stream of water canteens available on the market and all of them claiming to provide insulation and other benefits, it's easy to become overwhelmed. To help you determine which canteen is worth your money, we've reviewed the highest-rated water canteens of 2023. Number 1. Buzio Insulated Water Canteen. You need to get this bottle if you're looking for a canteen that can adapt to almost every situation. Made from food-grade stainless steel, the Buzio Insulated Water Canteen features temp armor technology that allows it to keep liquids hot for up to 24 hours and cold for up to 48 hours. Get this bottle if you want every sip of your water refreshingly icy or each sip of your coffee soothingly hot. What's more, the bottle comes with 2 lids and both caps are 100% leak-proof and airtight, so you can enjoy your drink without spilling it. With the Buzio powder coat technology and wide mouth, 2.2 inches, your Buzio bottle is easy for gripping, cleaning and ice filling. Made of 100% non-toxic, BPA-free plastic, this water canteen is safe to use. You can take it with you to the gym or on a bikepacking trip without any worries because it is durable 18/8 stainless steel. Number 2. Iron Degrees Flask Sports Water Bottle. This double-walled metal canteen by Iron Degrees Flask comes in multiple sizes. It comes with 3 leak-proof lids, a spout lid, a flip lid, and a stainless steel lid for multiple uses. What's more, this sports water bottle is also 100% BPA-free and non-toxic. Plus, it features double-wall insulation that makes the bottle sweat-free, so you can make icy drinks without worrying about pesky water droplets. The double-wall installation keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours. The powder coat exterior finish is a classic. It assures that you stand out with a very durable and elegant bottle. Our logo is now laser engraved to assure the highest quality as well. Made from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel, this bottle is long-lasting and rust-proof. Plus, it doesn't leave a metal aftertaste in the mouth. Featuring a powder-coated exterior and laser-engraved logo, this bottle is also super fashionable to carry around. Number 3. The Coldest Water Sports Water Bottle. A bottle that fulfills the style quota while serving unmatched functionality? Say no more. The Coldest Water Sport Water Bottle comes in 11 vibrant colors, from solar yellow to Jupiter orange. Featuring sturdy, double-walled insulation, this bottle will not sweat no matter how cold or hot the liquid in it is. Plus, you can carry this bottle around with you all day and trust your drink will stay cold, or hot. This water canteen will keep your drink cold for more than 36 hours and hot for more than 13 hours. What's more, it comes with a patented insulated flip-top straw lid that ensures zero leaks while you're biking or hiking. You can carry any kind of drink or beverage in this water bottle without worrying about a metallic taste. Made from the finest materials, the 18/8 heavy-duty, premium stainless steel construction of this bottle is rust-proof. Thanks to superior features, such as double-walled, vacuum insulation and a leak-proof lid, this bottle is a great investment. Number 4. StanSport Canteen. The StanSport Canteen will not only get you brownie points for style but it's also impressively functional and easy to use. Made with a high-impact, plastic body that is extremely durable, this water bottle can withstand wear and tear. Plus, the insulation of the blanket covering adds more strength and sturdiness to it. What's more, you can easily carry this bottle around thanks to its nylon shoulder strap that's adjustable to fit all ages and heights. Take this canteen with you on all your adventures from the mountains to the beach. Plus, you'll never lose this nifty bottle's cap because it features a screw-on cap that is attached to the safety strap. Keep your water fresh with this stylish and trusty blanket-covered desert canteen. Number 5. Gotland Stainless Steel Canteen Kit. Made for strenuous activities like hiking, climbing, camping, and mountaineering, this military canteen kit will serve you for years. Inspired by the World War II U.S. Army GI style, this water canteen is made for those who love embarking on outdoor adventures. The handle is designed to make it easy for you to grab it during use. Plus, the construction of the kit, which features a tough nylon carrying bag, makes it convenient to carry this canteen around. This military water canteen comes in a set that includes one canteen, one butterfly-handled cup, and one nylon cover. You can store all kinds of drinks in it thanks to its high-quality food-grade, stainless steel build. Even the cover is made of professional-grade nylon for added durability. If you're looking to relive a bit of history, while also investing in a sturdy piece of equipment, this retro water canteen is just what you need.